You know what's embarrassing? For almost 25 years, I walked like people were watching me. Like seriously, if I cross group of people, I would suddenly become aware of how I was walking. Hands felt awkward. I didn't know where to look, and I started wondering, do I look weird? Then I'd fix my hair, adjust my dress, take out my phone, and try to look busy. So, like, as if everyone on the road had just paused their lives just to watch me. Yeah, I know it's funny now, but back then it felt so damn real. And this didn't just happen on the roads, it happened everywhere. College, office, coffee shops, family functions. Like, if I laughed too loudly, I think someone might notice me. If I spoke English and got stuck, I would replay that moment for days. If I posted something online, I'd keep checking who viewed it, not because someone actually said something, but because my brain had already decided that they were judging me. Then, something happened a few months ago. Like, I met my old friend after a long time. We were just sitting and talking, and somehow this topic came up. She laughed and said, I always thought you were so confident. I literally looked behind me, like, me confident. There were days I rehearsed it, ordering coffee in my head before going to the counter. There were days I would delete an Instagram story because I thought it looked stupid and cringe. There were days I would avoid asking questions because I thought everyone would think that it was a silly question or think that, oh, she doesn't know even this thing. Like, confident, not even close, man. So I asked her, why would you think that? She said, because you always look calm. That sentence stayed with me actually. She thought I was confident while I was busy thinking everyone else is judging me. That's when I realized something I will probably never forget in my life. Maybe we were all walking around thinking that we are being judged while every single person is busy worrying about themselves. Think about it. When you enter a room, you're wondering, how would I look? Like, how do I look? The person sitting across from you, they are also wondering the exact same thing. You are worried about your presentation. They are worried about theirs. You are thinking people notice your mistake. They are hoping nobody notices theirs. It's like everyone is reading like their own script while believing they are the main character in everyone else's life. And honestly, that realization changed something in me. Not overnight. I still overthink sometimes. I still have awkward moments. I still wonder if I said something stupid. But now I stop myself and think, wait, is anyone really thinking about this, or am I writing my own story in my head? Most of the times, it's the second one. I am the one who is writing my story in my own head. So maybe people do judge us sometimes. We are humans and it happens actually, but not nearly as much as we imagine. And the worst we imagine. Most people are trying to, survive their own Monday, their own bills, their own heartbreaks, their own insecurities. And they simply don't have enough time to analyze every little thing you do. So here's something I have been reminding myself lately. Maybe the life I have been waiting to live is hiding behind the opinions that don't even exist. And that's a strange thing, isn't it? How we let our imaginary audiences stop us from living real lives.